Where to get voiceover sample scripts, and I've got a great link I'll announce in a bit, so stay with me. Now, when you're just starting out becoming a voiceover artist, it's really difficult to send out to potential clients and agents recordings of the kinds of things you think you can do and you know you can do, but because you haven't actually recorded anything yet as a paid job, you can't do it. But of course, you can negate this situation by creating your own demo reels with made-up scripts. Remember, clients just want to hear the voice styles that you can perform and how flexible you are. So what you actually say isn't really that important. They aren't going to judge your voice on the script you're reading, as long as the voice is appropriate for the type of script. But if you're starting out, it's obvious you haven't yet done, say, network TV ads. So please don't just transcribe the words that you hear on radio and TV commercials and then voice them yourselves. Not only is there a copyright issue here, but it kind of smacks a bit of desperation. So look, any script can do for now anything. And you start to get really paid jobs, you'll be able to replace the made-up content that you've done yourself with clips from your actual work, assuming the client says it's okay, which they usually do. You need at least a compilation reel to start with, and it's about a minute long. But ideally, you'd have a demo reel for, as well as compilation corporate, you'd have business work, maybe training, one for radio, TV commercials, one for phone prompts, one for character voices, accents, and then at least every year you'd refresh your show reels to improve them even more and further your career. Now, if all this sounds daunting to you, don't worry. At voiceovermasterclass.com, we've created some voiceover sample scripts for you, and these aren't just scripts. We've created them so you can listen to the scripts being read by myself or another professional voiceover, and you can watch as the words are highlighted as they're spoken. Now, these aren't made-up stuff, they're actual jobs that we've done, but it's important for you to learn those, and then you can create your own non-copyright versions of these. Now, this way you can download the scripts and you can read along to the recording and perform the voiceover in a similar style or make it your own. You should find the link to these voiceover sample scripts somewhere around this video, so just click the link and use these free sample scripts to practice right away. This is completely for free, and if you're worried about the recording and production side, once you are well practiced with these and you've got some dummy scripts together, we also offer a demo reel production service. So check out that link and good luck.